To start, come to your knees and grab opposite elbows to ensure that they are shoulder width apart. Release the forearms to the ground, interlace the hands, and place them behind the head, cradling the round part of the skull. Make sure that the pinkies are touching the ground. Walk the feet into the body, coming up onto your tippy toes and stack your hips over the shoulder. Walk feet as close to the elbows as possible and bend one knee into the chest and continue to stack the hips over the shoulder. This part can feel scary, but the higher the hips, the easier it is to lift the legs. Squeeze both knees together. Legs should be active and working to help maintain balance. Continue rooting down through the forearms and activate your shoulder. When you feel stable and ready, slowly begin to straighten both legs. Continue squeezing the legs together, keeping them very active. Gently tuck the tailbone towards the heels to avoid banana back. Let the forearms and shoulders support the body and help maintain balance and strength. Breathe into the entire body. Stay for as long as the body is comfortable. There is no maximum time limit. To come out, slowly retrace your step. Breathe and enjoy the change of perspective.